Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well. Welcome back to my channel with another very beautiful collection of hand embroidered shirts. As you know, all of these are very beautiful, pretty, and unique style patterns that is single sided or one sided, very beautiful, or shoulder embroidered neckline designs for shirts. All of these are hand embroidered, beautiful, pretty, and at the same time friendly for embroidery beginners and embroidery artists. All I would say is watch the video till end so that you could get all the amazing, stylish, and trendy ideas so that you can get more creative ideas. And before going into the further detailing of this video, I have a simple request to you that if you are new to my channel or you haven't subscribed, please don't forget to subscribe, and by subscribing press the bell icon so that you could remain notified with the latest updates and uploads on my channel. There's one more request that please do make a habit of watching my videos on daily basis, because on daily basis we try our best to share new and amazing ideas with you guys. We never intend or we never reclaim someone else's work as our own work. The basic idea and purpose and intention of making videos of these designs of hand art, hand embroidery with you is to share creative and amazing ideas, design patterns with the lovers of hand embroidery, with the ones who deeply love the art of hand embroidery. So this was my main basic intent. All of these designs of single-sided hand embroidery ideas are lightweight, easy to make, breathable. You can simply make them onto your plain cotton fabric, onto your organic blended linen fabric, or any type of the soft, washable, breathable, and summer-friendly fabric that you want to make. You can not only make these very beautiful patterns of one-sided neckline embroidery onto plain fabric, but you can also make them onto light jacquard fabric, light printed fabric, or any type of design based fabric that would go absolutely fine with the light tone of touch of designing so that the hand embroidery pattern could remain enhanced and beautiful.